It's such a lovely day to go down the rails. Nothing bad is happening. But then Sofast didn't know he was about to run into a freight train up ahead. Till then... Sofast, look out! There's something up ahead! Wait a minute. Something up again? Something up ahead again? Is that a freight train? It's a freight train again. But I am not gonna let this happen. I'm gonna apply my brakes. Here I go. Come on! And I'm not gonna crash ever again! That was a close one. Thank you guys so much for watching the episode. Why I'm restored back as a DeLorean? Well, they wanted me to restore back into a DeLorean. Steven is now back and running. Bye guys.